Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DNSSEC invalidation for VPS domains step by step clearly. To verify DNSSEC invalidation for VPS domains, start by accessing your VPS server. Log into your VPS using SSH with a terminal emulator. Enter your username and password to authenticate. Once logged in, update your package manager to ensure you have the latest software. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update. Install the necessary DNS utilities if they are not already present. You can do this by running sudo apt installed installs on Debian-based systems. On Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum install bind utils. Next, identify the domain you want to verify for DNSSEC. Use the dig command to query the DNSSEC records for your domain. Type dig plus dnsec.yourdomain.com and hit enter. Look for the RRSIG records in the output. These records indicate that DNSSEC is enabled for your domain. Now, check the key signing key in the DNS output. Run the command dig plus dnsec.yourdomain.com ds. This will fetch the delegation signer records. If you see the DS records, DNSSEC is configured correctly. To validate the DNSSEC configuration, use the dig command again with the plus DNSSEC option. Type dig.yourdomain.com and press enter. Verify that the AD flag is set in the response, meaning the answer is authenticated. For additional security, you can use an online DNSSEC validator. Visit a DNS checker tool that supports DNSSEC validation. Enter your domain name in the provided field and initiate the check. The tool will confirm whether your domain is properly secured with DNSSEC. You have successfully verified DNSSEC invalidation for your VPS domain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.